Hey guys, it's Sean here again. Today I'll be bringing you guys another unboxing. So I finally decided to upgrade my camera system. As you guys might have known, if you've been watching my videos for over the past few months, I use my iPhones to record my unboxing videos. But now I finally decided to upgrade my camera system. So I just ordered the new Sony A7 III online through Amazon, and it just got delivered today. And it's in this package right here. And let's go ahead and unbox this up and see how good it is. Alright guys, so here's the box that it was delivered in. Let's go ahead and open this up. There it is guys, the A7 III. Let's move this out, get this other box out of the way. Alright, so here's the box of the A7 III. As you guys can see, I got the one with the zoom lens kit, the FE 28-70mm lens. It should be pretty good. And here you can see all the specs that it has. Exmor-R CMOS, so it's 24 megapixels, full frame sensor. Also, it has 693 autofocus phase detection points. So this is also pretty good for wildlife photography or any sports related photography if you like doing that. And also it has 5-axis steady shot, which keeps your camera steady if you're like doing video logs or stuff where you move a lot. It won't make your video shaky. It'll keep your video steady and smooth. Also it has touch focus, that's pretty good. USB 3.1, and yeah, like I said, I got the one with the lens. So it's gonna have the body and the lens, and yeah, let's go ahead and open this up. Okay, so oh, there's no seal. That's weird. I don't know if it comes with a seal on it or not, but box looks new. Let's go ahead and open this up. Let's see what we get inside. Because we're presented with some warranty and safety guides. Yeah, I'll be reading these later on. Let's put this to the side and see what else we have. So here's the neck strap. It says Alpha 7 on top. Looks pretty cool. Put this to the side. Here I'm guessing we have the lens. The 28-70mm lens. Let's take this out. Here's the lens. Yeah, pretty cool. And here we have the lens hood that attaches to the front of the lens, so you can take pictures even in sunlight. Let's take this out. Let's see how it looks. Yeah, pretty cool. Okay. Here is, I'm guessing, the camera body itself. Wow, look at this. Look at the size. It's just tiny. Wow. For the power this camera packs, you know, this size is amazing. Let's take this out of this cover. Wow. Guys, this is perfect size. I mean, this is perfect for traveling because I travel a lot, so I'll be using this a lot, and the size is just perfect. So look at this. Nice. The screen tilts up like this. It doesn't tilt sideways like some of the other cameras. Well, the new A7 IV has the sideways tilting screen, but yeah, that's a lot more expensive too. But yeah, this is pretty cool. Perfect size, man. Yeah, very good looking camera. And you can tell the materials used on this are top notch. Like, wow. Kind of feels like aluminum, but yeah, it is aluminum. But a very good grade aluminum used on this. Very cool. I'll be mostly using this for recording my YouTube videos. And it has 4K video mode that shoots up to 4K at 30 frames per second. That's pretty cool. And I actually got a really good deal on Amazon for Christmas. it was almost 40% off. So I'm glad I went for it, because the other models of the camera, like the Alpha series, were very expensive, but this one is just as good. It may be a little old. It's like, I think 4 years old, but still it has a full frame sensor and, you know, very good low light capabilities, and also very good video recording mode. So yeah, let's see what else we have in the box. Put the camera to the side. Oh, it just pulls up like this. So we have a couple of bags down here. Let's see what we have in here. This is a charging adapter. I'm glad they included a charging adapter, because I was looking at some other unboxing videos for this camera and it did not include any charging adapter. Awesome. Here is, I'm guessing, the battery. Yep. It's a very powerful lithium Z battery that Sony includes with their top of the line cameras. FZ100 battery pack. That's what I've heard. This is a very good battery. You can take up to 700 pictures, if I'm not wrong, with this battery on a full charge. Here is the USB cable. Transfer data, I'm guessing, or charging. Not sure about charging, but I think this is for transferring data specifically. See if we have anything else. That is gonna be it. Let me get this box out of the way and take a better look at the camera. All right. Let's take this cover off, attach this lens to the camera. So yeah, this white dot here goes along with this. So I'm guessing I'm gonna have to put it here like this. Yep, it clicked. I'm guessing it's connected to the camera now properly, hopefully. Let's turn this camera on. Oh wait, there's no battery in it. Let me put the battery inside. Hopefully there's going to be some power, some juice in this. I think it says it goes in like this. Yep. And it clicked. That's good news. All right. Let's turn this on. Wait, let me see if there's what kind of cable it uses for charging. So yeah, I was right. It uses the USB-C cable for charging. That's amazing, because all my other devices have USB-C, so I can just use their charger to charge this camera. That's pretty cool. And this one, I'm guessing this old USB port here is for transfer, for data transfer only. If you want to like transfer data to the computer or your laptop, you're gonna have to use that old USB. But yeah, let's turn this camera on. Battery exhausted. I'm guessing that means the battery is almost dead. It doesn't have any juice or power in it. All right guys, so the camera is finally turned on. I connected the charging cable and it actually does turn on while it's connected to the charging cable. Let's go ahead and go through the setup real quick. Okay, now I'm in California, Francisco, daylight saving. Actually, let's leave it off. We can change it later. What's the date? We want the month first, of course, and the day, a year. Let's go click enter. All right, it's finally turned on. It's on the low light setting. As you guys can see, I also attached the strap to it. It looks pretty cool. It says Sony and then Alpha 7 on this side and the iconic Alpha orange sign here. Let's take a picture of this Golden Gate Bridge. Yep, zoom in a little bit. The Golden Gate Bridge, you guys can see. It's pretty cool. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this video, guys. This short unboxing video of the Sony Alpha A7 III Tucson 24. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.